campo sta a posto, sono caricati.
Time for Motogp race. The last time myself and Jack for Meadow wins. Commentary duty into our makeshift commentary box. And already they're trying to wind up Fabio Quartararo. He's asking whether he should put the power. It's a new feature for the Motogp 20 game. They should have it on 0, 1 or 2. Alex put it on 0. Let's see if he has put it on 0. Because if he has, he won't make a lightning start. So on pole position, and he may well have done, because he's gone backwards on pole position. Alex Marquez, our race winner last time out, has made the best start. That's still open. Georgie straight into back of someone. Maverick Vinales has gone down there as well. Now Marc Marquez onto the grass. What we said was going to be carnage, and that's exactly what it is.
How is someone all the way on the inside of the grass there in turn? I don't even know how that's happened.
Lorenzo Savadori, another one of the fallers there. He was up to fourth at one point. He was really a test rider, but was eventually knocked down. Has now got Maverick Vinales for company. He barges his way through. He's a podium finisher in virtual races 1 and 2, and he means business after that crash on the opening lap of the opening corner. Monster Energy Yamaha man is looking to close in on the podium finishers and hopefully, finally, take his first win in virtual turns.
Let's just take a look at who's in 4th
place already on lap number 2.
Now this is pretty good positioning for Fabio here. We know he's really fast in all of these virtual races that have gone before. We've seen him be one of the quickest guys on the grid, but often, oh my lord, Lecona's gone absolutely flying out, but he barrel rolls as that. What's that, about 40 of them?
Certainly winning Olympic gold medal, that. What a couple of pirouettes that was.
It looked like Fabio Quartararo was also down with him, so I wonder if those two came together. Of course, Quartararo was chasing him down for that second position.
So Miles would be happy with a spin like that from Lecuona. That was superb stuff. Although I'm pretty sure he wouldn't be best pleased with the fact that he got 10 out of 10 for style. I'm sure he'd have preferred to stay in the podium hunt. As you said, he took Fabio Quartararo with him off, possibly vice versa. No one can point to any figures at who the culprit was.
No, we didn't see it. We did see that one though, and that was Lecuona down again. I think he made contact with Lorenzo Savadori
on the right hand side as well, or he did for a split second. Total concentration from Alex Marquez as he leads this fight at the moment for second place. You can see him leading to the right as he was going through the right handers and then flicking back to the left hand side, the head going with him, as was the controller as well. Total concentration mode from the Moto2 World Champion. Back at the front, Pecco Bagnaia comfortably ahead, over 6 seconds clear now is the Catty man, looking for win number 2 of his virtual MotoGP career.
Now just take a look at the bottom right hand of your screen there. You can see the tyre temperatures. There's something extra in the MotoGP 20 game. You can see each side of the tyre. Now we see obviously there, Mark's tyre was getting really hot, so obviously he must have gone with a soft and being on lap 5. It's not the position he really wants to be in with his tyres already.
Faded as Fabio Quartararo goes down once again. I think this time that was possibly Miguel Oliveira just getting his own back for what happened earlier. There's another crash for Ekel. Won't even see by gravel to the right hand side. Enjoying quite sadistically actually. Taking great pleasure out of the fact that Ekel Lecuona has crashed out and he's getting a little bit frustrated with himself. There's Tito Rabat, unfortunately back of the pack at the moment is the Reale Avintia rider. We'll have to speak to him after the race actually, because before we went live with this, Tito Rabat was just moaning at myself for not speaking to him, not interviewing him last time at the virtual race. I said, Tito, unfortunately, nothing of real interest happened to you. You finished outside of the top 5. I said, if you get involved in the action, we'll come and have a chat with you, but we'll take him by surprise and ask him a question this time to keep him happy, because he wasn't best pleased. He was ready and waiting to answer the questions, but unfortunately we didn't come to him. He was right in virtual terms. And again, just looking at what you mentioned, Jack, as well, look to the right hand side of your screen, you can see the rear tyre there for Maverick Vinales. He's totally red. That means it has overheated far too much, and he will be struggling for rear grip at the moment.
Yeah, you got to say that one is properly cooked there, well overdone.
Fortunately, with over half race distance remaining as well, of course, remember
Jack, I think his head is a little bit gone at the minute, so he needs to just calm down and regroup.
Back at the front though, talking of being calm and hitting the markers, staying extremely focused, as you can see to the left hand side of your picture there.
So focused there, he said a word.
There goes Marc Marquez, he's crashed out. Whilst we were looking at Pecco Bagnaia, it looks as though Maverick had made a mistake. I'm not sure if he crashed out, but he certainly ran wide somewhere, because it allowed Marc Marquez back up to 3rd place, but momentarily. The world champion's crashed out. He's now dropped back down to 4th place. What that has allowed is Alex Marquez to escape. Last time we were on board with Maverick, he was right on the rear wheel of Alex Marquez, with a pair of them pushing each other for 2nd place, but he's now got a 3-second advantage as Alex Marquez.
Here's Lorenzo Savadori. Of course, this is the first time Lorenzo has joined us. He's looking to get past this one of the Tech 3 Racing riders. I think that's Ike Lekuona. Yes, it is. We'll see if he can make his way up through on the Solar Aprilia out there on the field.
Oh, sideways, once and twice. He's Lorenzo Savadori through turn 5, putting up a fairly strong effort so far. Experience with, especially with this new Motogp 20 game, is absolutely everything. As you can see, we've got the same top 3 as we've had during the opening 2 races. Those guys that just click with the console have been able to continue pace regardless of the game, regardless of the circuit as well. So for Savadori to come in and be, well, ahead of Fabio Quartararo and Tito Rabat so far, be challenging ahead of Ike Lekuona, who both have virtual GP experience. That's a good effort so far for Savadori. Back with Marc Marquez, the world champion, though, wide into Lorenzo corner. He'll get it cut off and down the start-finish straight, the complete lap number 8. His brother Alex Marquez still comfortable in 2nd place at the moment. Pecco Bagnaia must have made a small mistake though, because that gap has been cut. He takes great joy from other people crashing.
He certainly does.
Winding Fabio up with the Ale. Unfortunately, he's not going to plan for Quartararo so far, and that was pure frustration.
Yeah, completely, Jack. I think what we're seeing there is just a good old case of video game rage.
It is. I think if he could rage quit, he probably would.
He probably would.
But he's going to carry on intensely. Here we are with the leader then, Pecco Bagnaia, still clear of Alex Marquez. As we were saying before Quartararo went down, that advantage has been cut in half pretty much. It was 6 seconds at one point, was Pecco Bagnaia. As you'll be able to see now, whoa, what on earth is going on there? I think
that's that connection.
Yeah, the hot spot for Dino Petrucci is just lagging a little bit, I think. He's jumping from side to side, from left to right. He's just about holding on his Petrucci at the moment there in 5th place, despite his connection problems. Hopefully we don't have another Dennis Foggia on our hands.
Hopefully not. It's a pretty good thing that Petrucci's a fairly big and strong.
To himself, he's fairly comfortable in 2nd. Ahead of Maverick Vinales. Well, he was comfortable in 2nd place, but Alex Marquez has gone down. Your race 1 winner at Mugello has crashed out, and that's allowed Pecco Bagnaia to escape even further clear at the front of this race. It looks like at the moment, with just a handful of laps remaining, it's going to be another victory for the Italian. He's going to go back-to-back, winning at the Red Bull Ring, and now here at Jerez. He can't be making a mistake, no, Jack.
No, he cannot. That is the crucial thing that he really cannot afford to do right now. He may well have a big lead. Maverick Vinales is putting in similar lap times to him, just as quick, and he cannot afford to make that mistake.
Mistake that Alex Marquez made. Coincidentally, it's cost him 2nd place. Vinales now ahead of him into 2nd. Here's Ike Lekuona. Was up to 2nd place at one point, had an absolutely lightning start. The Tech2 KTM man now down in 8th place. Pecco Bagnaia yet to make any mistakes now. Can he keep it on 2 wheels? He's just got a couple of corners left here in Jerez before he starts lap number 11, and he's gone down! Bagnaia's out of it, he's crashed out to the lead. 6 seconds was his advantage. Can Vinales take advantage of his mistake? There he goes! Vinales hits the front of this race with just a handful of laps remaining. Well, who would have thought it? Just half a lap ago, Vinales was down in 3rd place, and then Alex Marquez crashes out, so he takes 2nd, and now Bagnaia crashes out, so he hits the front. We were calling him a bridesmaid just minutes ago. It looks as though finally Maverick Vinales is going to take victory in a virtual race, but he's got a handful of laps to hold on, and I'm sure he, more than anybody else, will be aware of the consequences that a crash will cause.
And to make things worse for the guys behind Maverick now, we do know that he was absolutely lightning fast late in the race. So if any chance of catching it looks like it's going to be almost impossible. The one thing that we thought was a dead cert in this race, a Pecco Bagnaia victory, has gone right out the window.
Marc Marquez just asking then who's in 1st place, and Vinales very happy to chirp up and say, it's me. He's up to 1st at the moment, having taken advantage of a couple of crashes ahead of him. Meanwhile, further down the field, and Fabio Quartararo coming together once again. We've seen these two battle it out once already, but this time a clean move from Fabio Quartararo. Both of them stayed upright, which is good to see. That's what we want. And they already started to break clear of Lecuona as well.
I don't know if you heard that one there, Jack. Asking Danilo Petrucci where he was on the circuit. Danilo replied pretty quickly that it was at turn 6. I wonder if we're going to see the...
Oh, Marc Marquez just offering a little bit of entertainment to the fans. It's a DIY battle. He's slowed up to allow Petrucci and Marquez to go to war with just 2 laps remaining. Only problem is, you can still see Petrucci's Wi-Fi, his hotspots are lagging so much.
Yeah, Mark might live to regret this decision as Petrucci starts jumping about all over the place on the track.
Well, he slowed up for a split second, but in true Marc Marquez, in true world champion style, having given him a sniff, he's then put the hammer down and pulled clear of Petrucci again. He's just playing games with him, cat and mouse here at Jerez with Marquez, just trying to lure Petrucci into a battle here.
Now, one thing that Petrucci might enjoy in this scenario, if you remember back to the second virtual race in Austria, Petrucci was the hunted in this scenario, with Valentino Rossi closing him down all the way to the final corner where he made that ridiculous lunge. So maybe Danilo will just enjoy the scenario as being flipped on his head this time as he hunts down Marc Marquez.
We can see the hunting taking place as we look off the rear wheel of Marc Marquez here. And the Ducati comes into sight. He's getting closer and closer with 1.5 laps remaining. It's not for a podium place, this is for 4th place. But surely he's going to provide some good entertainment on the final lap. Big smile on the face of Marc Marquez there.
Big smile around and see Danilo closing and waiting on him. They've both got out. I don't know if Mark's saying a place to wheels there.
He's got away with it. He's got away with it somehow with Marc Marquez. But that's that then. That battle has certainly come to an end with Marc Marquez coming out on top. Look, to top each other as well. Marc Marquez and Danilo Petrucci with Miguel Oliveira crashing out. You can see the frustration on the top rider. Marc Marquez just asking, are you in 5th place? Petrucci says, no, it's Alex Rins now. And it looks as though we've had a couple of teammates come together. Both Lecuona and Oliveira are not particularly happy. Well, Lecuona wasn't happy, Oliveira was in hysterics.
Well, I think if Jose Contra was watching this at home, I think it would just be sinking back into the sofa right now after watching that.
On to the last lap then, just one final circuit of Jerez to finish off this incredible Red Bull Virtual Grand Prix of Spain. And of course, remember, doing all of this for 2 Wheels for Life. You can go to www.twowheelsforlife.org to please donate whatever you can as we continue to fight COVID-19 and other dangerous diseases. I'm sure you'll agree that these guys have put on a show for you. Maverick Viñales, the man who looks like taking finally a race win at virtual turns. Marc Marquez echoing our sentiments there, reminding you all that the place to go to donate whatever you can is of course twowheelsforlife.org. Hopefully we've put on a show for you guys here at Jerez with Maverick Viñales taking the win. He finished 3rd in Mugello, 2nd in Austria, but finally he's on the top step of the podium. He's a factory Yamaha man. Ahead of Alex Marquez and Pecco Bagnaia. The previous race winners will have to settle for 2nd and 3rd today. Here's the world champion Marc Marquez, comes across the line in 4th place once again, just missing out on the podium. Alex Rins eventually battling his way back through to 5th, ahead of Danilo Petrucci in 6th place, whose internet has clearly and thankfully been able to see out all 13 laps. Miguel Oliveira in 7th as Tito Rabat's clearly just had a crash on the final lap. Fabio Quartararo in 8th, and Lecuona and Lorenzo Savonaroli. What a race these guys have put on.
La curva che perdi più tempo.
Io?
Sì, quando cadi, dico.
Ah, sì, perché?
Non so perché. Perché la moto va bam. Sì. Guarda la...
Alex Marquez and Maverick Viñales and Pecco Bagnaia all talking to each other there. He's talking to Pecco. Alex was just explaining that the place that he went down was the most costly place to go down. Cost you so much time because of the speed that they were picking up through that fast right hander. And the bike just continued to barrel. Marc Marquez and Danilo Petrucci continuing talking with each other as well. Mark saying that he didn't receive the penalties. You can see there. Danilo had something else to say about that. So those are the final results then. What an incredible show these guys have put on. Let's jump back into our studio to hear what they've got to say for themselves.